Do you know that you can actually change the color of your working environment? You can change this color. You can change this color. For example, if I want to change this color to blue, see, I've already changed it to blue. If I want to change it to any color I prefer, if I want to go back to, if I want to change it to red or black, I will show you how you can change it. I will show you. If I want to change it to red, yellow, I'll click on this, apply, it will change to yellow. If I want to change it to any color you prefer, I will show you how to do it. I'm coming. So you can come here, you can select any color you want to change it to. If you want to change it to this color, you can click on it, okay, then apply. You can see that it has already changed. So most people doesn't know this. Now let me show you how you can change the color. And if I want to change this one to black, this one, the one here, if I want to change it to black, I can come here, I can click on it, dark. You see, let me click OK to automatically change. You can see that it has already changed. So now, if you want to change this color of your environment, either this one or here, if you want to change it, just type, come here. You can rather come here, type it, or you can rather type it at anywhere. Here. Just type option, OP. You can see that it has already showed option here. You can see option here. Click on option to do that. So if you click on that option, come to color here. From this color, this is uniform background. It's on uniform background. Yeah, this is uniform background you're really talking about. And it is 2D model space. So it is on uniform background. So if I want to change it to, even though you see this cursor that is moving, this cursor, I can also change it to. So if I want to change the uniform background to any color I want, I will come here, I will click on, I will select the color I prefer. Any color I want, I will just choose it here. If I want this color, click on it, then click OK. Click apply, you will see that it will change. You can see that it has already changed. And if I want to change the color, if I want to change this, I will come here, I can change it to white. I can change it to any color I prefer. It will change. You can see that it has already changed. So that is how to change your color in AutoCAD, your environment color. If you found this video helpful, consider to like, comment, and share. Thank you.